Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make roasted lemony chicken and rice. The rice is not going to be together with the chicken. I'm gonna prep the chicken and put it to bake, and then I'm gonna move to the rice step. So for the ingredient to make the roasted lemony chicken is I have a whole chicken over here. I have cut them into 6 pieces, and this recipe is going to serve 4 to 6. And then I also have some potatoes that I have leave the skin, well washed, scrape the skin a little bit, and then cut into wedges this size. And then we need some lemon. I have already sliced my lemon into wedges as well. We need a few cloves of garlic, some onion cut into big chunk as well, wedges. And then for the chicken we need some spices, which is salt, pepper, grill seasoning, lemon, pepper, salt, chili powder, and this is dry parsley. So the reason why I'm using just a little bit of salt is because grilled chicken seasoning already have salt in it, and also the lemon pepper seasoning has salt in it, so it can be overpowering salty. So I'm just adding just a pinch of salt just to make sure that the food does not overpowering with saltiness. And then this little spices here is just chili powder, salt and pepper, and that's for the potatoes. And my oven is also preheating right now, 400 Fahrenheit. And then we also need some olive oil. So to begin, I am going to mix this. Okay, I'm just gonna do it by hand anyway. I'm gonna have to mix everything by hand, so why not? We're just gonna sprinkle all of these spices on top of the chicken, and I'm also gonna flip the chicken over, and then we're gonna put the spices on the other side as well. Want to make sure that well coated each pieces of chicken. Some oil. I'm using olive oil, just about 1 tablespoon. And then I'm gonna do the same. Okay, I guess I have to use both hands. I have no choice. Okay, well mix. The spices for the potatoes is going in. A little bit of olive oil, 1 tablespoon again both hands, no choice. I'm trying not to dirty my hand, but I have no choice. This has to be well mixed. And then I'm just gonna spread the potatoes in between of the chicken. I'm gonna put the skin down, all of them. And then I'm gonna arrange the onion and the wedges of lemon and the garlic. I left the skin of the garlic because garlic can be overpowering in flavor. You don't want that in the food, so leaving the skin will help. Your food will have the garlic flavor. And if you don't eat garlic, you can just ignore it. Don't add garlic if you don't like it. But garlic is good for you, and I like it. And so, since this is a healthy choice meal, I'm just gonna add the garlic, squeeze in everything. Okay, that's enough. You can also add lemon juice, but since I'm adding wedges, I'm not gonna do the lemon juice. So okay, so I'm just gonna leave these two. So this was two lemon. So now this is going to go in my preheated oven. For the rice, I'm using long grain. I have already washed the rice, and so I already add the water as well, 2 inches, like 2 inches more than the rice. This is the amount you're gonna add the water. Written ingredient will be down below in the description box. Now to that, I'm gonna add a bouillon cube. This is chicken flavor. I'm gonna add that, just like that. And then salt, pepper, turmeric, and chili powder. Chili powder is optional. about 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Give it a stir. And the leftover lemon, I'm just gonna squeeze in the juice. And this is how it looks like. The color will be like that. And now this is well stirred. And this is my rice cooker bowl, and I'm gonna cook this rice today in the rice cooker. And that is going to be so quick and easy. One side is your rice is cooking in the rice cooker, and the other side is the chicken is baking. So all will be done at once. Easy peasy dinner. So let's go put that to cook. On and let it cook. Chicken is out from the oven, and now it's time to flip the chicken over so it can cook on the other side. One side is already cooked. We're also gonna flip all the potatoes and the onion as well. So the chicken was in the oven for 35 minutes, and now it's gonna go back in the oven just until the top of the chicken goes golden brown in color, and the potatoes is almost done to it. Is if I touch it, like it can break, but it's not 100%. But I would say another 30 to 45 minutes in the oven, or until your chicken looks golden brown. Our rice is ready. Beautiful. This is how the rice looks like. And this is long grain rice. You can obviously do this with basmati, but normally this type of dish I like to use long grain rice. And as you can see, the rice is not mushy, it's gonna dry. And also the chicken is ready. You can see golden brown, juicy chicken, and potatoes is also well done. Everything is ready, and it's time to plate. I have my plate of rice ready over here. Chicken on. Some wedges, potatoes, as much as you like. Roasted lemon chicken and rice is ready, and it is a healthy choice. Recipe will be down below in the description box. Like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.